The point P and Q as shown in the figure has the coordinate -2, 13 and 4, -5. P has the coordinates -2, 13 and Q has a coordinate of 4, -5. The straight line L passes through P and Q. This is the line L. This is line L given. It is passing through P and Q. Find an equation of line, writing your answer in this form. Now in this form, if you have to write, first you need to find M. What is M? M is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now you can say this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. So what that will be -5 minus 13 over 4 minus -2. So I will have from here minus 18 over 6. That if I will take is going to be -3. So M is -3. Now you have to write it in this form. Y is equal to mx plus c. You can use your choice. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Or you can write it in this form directly. Both methods you already know. So I'm going to take this one. Y will be equal to m. M is -3x plus c. Now the thing that I have to find is c. For finding c, I can put any one of the points. So okay, I'm going to choose this point. I will take this x, this y. So that will be -5 equals to -3 into 4 plus 3. -12 plus 3. So what I will have here, c will be equal to -5 plus 12. So c will be equal to 7. So put this value of c here. The equation of line will be -3x plus 7. That is the equation. It means if you remember this is actually 7, because maybe in next we need to use that one, because c is the y-intercept. Okay. So the first part is done. We found this one. Now the second part is saying the quadratic curve C passes through P and has a minimum point Q. Find the equation of C. Q is the minimum point. It is given that Q is here that we have 4 minus 5. If Q is the minimum point, if for quadratic curve the minimum point is given, you know very well that how do we find in the quadratic curve? In the quadratic curve, the minimum point is always a into x minus h plus k. What is this hk? Hk is the minimum point or maximum point. We call it vertex. The only thing is to determine this k. So if the minimum point is given, remember it was in unit number 1 of P1 or P2 most probably. In P1 obviously, in unit number 1, where we make this one. Sorry, it should be this square also. That is the equation of the curve in that case. So first of all, the minimum point is given. So what it will be? It will be y is equal to a into x minus h square plus k. This is actually h, this is k. So I will have y is equal to a into x minus k is -5. So -5. Sorry, h is 4. Right here now, if I will write, so what I'm going to get, I'm going to get this one here, -4 plus -5. So what that is going to be, y is equal to a into x -4 square minus 5. Okay, now on the curve you have another point also. This is the minimum point. You know, if you have a quadratic and you want to find the equation of the quadratic, you need two things. You need the minimum or maximum point and one more point. So another point is also there, the point P. This P is -213. That is given that P minus 2, I forget the point. P is -213. -213 is on the curve. Yes. So it means I can put it. This is x, this is y. put this one to get the value of a also. So you will have 13 equals to a I have to find x is -2 minus 4 square minus 5. So I will have this one 13 is equal to a into 36 minus 5. 5 will go to the other side. 13 plus 5 equal to 36a. So I will have a equal to 18 over 36, which will be 1 over 2. So finally I will have a equal to 1 over 2 put here in this equation. So I'm going to get y is equal to 1 over 2 into x minus 4 square minus 5. So this is my required quadratic equation. This is the equation of the curve C that was asked in the part B. Find the equation of the curve C. So always if a quadratic is given, you need two things. Vertex means the turning point and one more point, any other point. So then using this one, if you have the vertex HK, this will be the quadratic equation. For finding A, use the other points. So we found that one for part B also. Okay.